Dear students, welcome to Army Public School PMA Resource Network. Before we start our today's subject, English language, please subscribe this page and click on bell icon so you will receive notification of upcoming videos well in time. In our today's lecture, we are going to discuss different topics from Unit 2 and Unit 3. Contents Unit 2 Clean and Green Textbook page number 33 Doing my part for the environment. Next is Unit 3 Move on Up Reading New Places Textbook page number 38-39 City Transport Textbook page 36-37 On the Road Textbook page 41 and the last is review an article or a story. Week 5 Subject English language. In this week our topics are doing my part for the environment, new places, city transport, review an article or story. Objectives: to have a discussion about what are some of the things you currently do at home to help save the environment. Next is to encourage your family and friends to do their part for the environment. Students, look at this exercise, doing my part for the environment. Open your textbooks on page number 33. Here are 4 exercises. Exercise 1 contains discussion questions. So, discuss all the questions with your parents and siblings. Now, look at your exercise 2. Read about how Jenny does her part for the environment. Complete the diary entry with the words and phrases in the box. Words and phrases given in the box are and then, after, by the end of, later, meanwhile. With the help of these words and phrases, you can easily fill all the blank spaces. Now look at the exercise. Just playing my part. I was up at 6:30 am, all excited at the thought of doing my part to make our world a better place to live in. Today was the big beach cleanup. I had a quick breakfast and then I made my way to the beach to meet my teachers and classmates. Here suitable word is and then. After the teachers had divided us into groups and assigned us our locations, we got down to work quickly. The amount of litter that we found was unbelievable. My group filled up 2 plastic bags in just half an hour. In second blank space, after is a suitable word. Meanwhile, a group had to get more plastic bags from our teacher. In third blank space, meanwhile is suitable word. Later on, we found out that another group needed more bags too. Fourth blank space, later is suitable word. By the end of the cleanup, my class had filled up more than 20 bags of litter. We were tired but happy that the beach was much cleaner. Fifth blank space, suitable word is by the end of. Next exercises are 3 and 4. In exercise 3 and 4, we will discuss about environmentalists. Let's see next slide. Environmentalists. They educate people to take care of the environment and try to clean up the mess that has already been created. A majority of the environmentalists work as environmental volunteer scientists or lobbyists. The duty of an environmentalist can vary widely depending on the area of specialization. They may persuade higher officials in the government departments to pass green regulations of law for a better environment. Next is doing our part. Saving the environment is our collective responsibility. The change we all wish to see must come from changing our own lifestyle first. For this purpose, say no to plastic bags. Carry cloth bags to buy groceries, vegetables, and fruits. Next is change your car driving habits. Walk or ride on the bicycle. Next is take notice of how you use water. Save it. And the last is use refillable water bottles or reusable lunch containers. Now students, we start next topic, and our topic is new places. Before starting this topic, let's see its objective. Listen the blog and have discussion about new places. Remember the name of the countries located in Southeast Asia. Students, before starting this topic, let me explain the name of Southeast Asian countries. Southeast Asia contains 10 states: Brunei Darussalam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. Students, our beloved country Pakistan is located in South Asia. There are 7 countries in South Asia: Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, Pakistan, and Maldives. "5 Months in Southeast Asia." It is a blog. Read page number 30 to 39 properly and remember the names of the countries Jack mentioned in his blog. Students, now we start new topic: city transport. Objectives are talk about different means of transport in different countries. Discuss new type of transport. Public transport is a system of transport in contrast to private transport for passenger by group travel system available for use by general public, typically managed on a schedule, operated on established routes. Example of public transport include city buses, trolley buses, trams, or light rail and passenger trains, rapid transit, metro, subway, underground, and ferries, etc. However, most public transport trips include other modes of travel such as passenger walking or catching bus services to access train stations. City transport: tram, subway, ferry, monorail, tube or underground, bicycle, rickshaws, minibus. Here are some well-known means of transport used in different countries. Tram and subway used in Hong Kong. Ferry is used in Sydney. Monorail is used in Kuala Lumpur. Tube or underground and bicycle are used in London. Rickshaws and minibus are used in Karachi. Before going into the detail of the topic, I would like to share learning objectives with you. So here are learning objectives. Write in your own words. Use appropriate vocabulary to write the review. Express your opinion about the story. Review of an article or story. Read an article or story from a youth magazine or children's corner from the newspaper. Choose a short story book if newspapers and magazines are not available. Here are some tips for writing a review. Write in your own words what the story or article is about. Are there any main characters? Did you learn anything new? Was there a lesson to be learned? Success criteria. Make poster on how to save the environment. Share the tips to save the environment with your family and friends. Be an eco-warrior and bring a positive change in the environment. Plan your city tour and include interesting activities. Recall the name of countries located in South Asia as well as in Southeast Asia along with their capital city name. Share your views about new type of transport with your siblings. Talk about different modes of transport, and the last is don't exceed the word limit while writing article or story review. This slide contains home tasks. Number 1. Doing my part for the environment. Page number 33. Make poster on 2 A4 size paper. Make your drawing colorful and tips should be in bold. Second is new places. Page number 38-39 textbook. Read the passage given in the textbook, page 39, and explain it in simple words. After reading, written exercises. Page number 38. Exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. Complete all these exercises and use loose sheet. Number 3 is city transport. Page number 36-37. Words in bold to be entered in my vocabulary bank. And fourth is write review of an article or story. Students, put this in your mind. Your review should be about 75 to 100 words. Now students, it's time for week 6. Subject English language, unit number 3, move on up. Topic on the road. Let's start. Before going to start next topic, I would like to share learning objectives with you. So here are learning objectives. To talk about road signs, to know the importance of road signs, what do road signs mean, to read the vocabulary track carefully and learn road signs, to make sentences of road signs word logical. Now road signs. Road signs are signs at the side of or above roads to give instructions or provide information to road users. Earliest signs were simple wooden or stone milestone. Later, signs with hand directional arms were introduced. Let's see next slide about on the road. Topic is on the road. Traffic rules are essential for the society and everyone must follow it. The rules are formulated to minimize accidents, injuries and jams. Many people lose their lives every day and many people get severe injuries because of road accidents. The prime rules are: number 1, for allowing the people on the opposite side to cross safely and also permit the automobile on the back side to go beyond. We need to keep the vehicle left. Keep the car at the left when parting the former road and entering new one at the instant of taking a left turn. Lower the speed of the car at the turnings where there are a lot of blockages at the ending of the road, at zebra crossings, on the occasion of overtaking and such other instances. Number 4, inappropriate parking is illegal. Number 5, maintain an adequate distance to avoid collision. Number 6, applying brakes all of a sudden may cause an abrupt stop. The car will get a jerk which can cause injury. Number 7, always follow police officers' direction and traffic signals. Number 8 is be careful while taking a U-turn. U-turn can be risky. Never take a U-turn without looking at the traffic behind. Also not to take one at the disruptive traffic or at the traffic lights. Furthermore, make a U-turn after giving hand signals and not taking it places prohibited for the same. And the last is we observe a number of accidents taking place each day because of irresponsible driving. Such irresponsible behavior needs to be changed. Traffic rules teach us to become good and accountable citizens of the motherland. So students, be careful about all these rules. Look at the road signs carefully. A, B, C, D, E. Now match the photos with the following sentences. There is flooding on the roads, so drive with care. B. There is a diversion ahead. You must take a different route for your journey. C. There are roadworks ahead, so drivers should reduce speed. E. There is a traffic jam, so you should expect a delay in your journey. D. There is a car accident ahead. A. Success criteria. Recognize the road signs during traveling. Talk about different modes of transport. Recognize the road signs on highway. Now students, it's time for home task. And your home task is: what will happen if you do not follow traffic rules? For answer this question, use loose sheet. Make sentences of road sign words logically. Words are flooding, diversion, roadwork, delay, reduce speed, traffic jam, accident, and route. And next is, which problems do motorists and pedestrians face on the roads daily? To answer this question, use loose sheet. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.